Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. Stocks fell on Friday as investors wrapped up a volatile week ahead of the Federal Reserve's policy meeting. Overall, the Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped by 0.83%. At its lows, the index completely wiped out Thursday's 332-point rally. The S&P 500 was lower by 1.22%, and the Nasdaq Composite dropped 1.56%. The Dow closed out a positive week, up by 0.12%. However, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq both suffered a second straight week of losses, lower by 0.16% and 0.39% respectively. Adobe shares fell by more than 4% a day after the software firm posted better than expected quarterly results. Shares of ARM Holdings were lower by 4.2%, one day after its successful public debut. Chip equipment makers Applied Materials, Lam Research and KLA Corp all dropped more than 4% after Reuters reported TSMC had asked its major vendors to delay deliveries. Nvidia dropped 3.7%, Advanced Micro Devices lost 4.8%, and Broadcom and Micron Technology each fell over 2%, pulling down the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index down about 3% for the session. Auto stocks General Motors and Stellantis NV rose Friday, while Ford inched lower. Thousands of members of United Auto Workers went on strike after failing to reach a deal with automakers Thursday night. Elsewhere, Lennar shares slipped 2.5%. The home construction firm posted third quarter results that beat on the top and bottom lines late Thursday. On the economic front, the University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Survey showed one-year inflation expectations dropped to 3.1% in September, tied for the lowest since January 2021. Also, the five-year outlook fell to 2.7%, matching its lowest since December 2020. Wall Street is passing through a mixed batch of economic data ahead of the Fed's policy meeting, set to be announced September 20. The central bank is widely expected to hold rates steady next week, but traders will seek insight about how policymakers are thinking about inflation from here. Overall, all 11 S&P 500 sectors index declined, led lower by information technology, down 1.94%, followed by a 1.88% loss in consumer discretionary. The SPY futures are pointing to a 0.6% fall. Thank you for listening.